Heads up!
Ever wondered what it takes to transport and saw through massive logs in extreme conditions? Today we're diving into the world of high-stakes logging, where every move carries danger and precision is key. Ready for the thrill? Let's jump in. Flames dance and crackle, transforming the once majestic giant into a spectacular display of exploding wood and ash. What ignited this fiery spectacle? And will the forest recover from such an explosive end? Get ready for a wild ride.
He's going! Nice! Heads up! Nice!
Well, I wonder if this man is really a professional when he himself can't calculate where the tree should fall. It seems like he will lose a lot of money to compensate the homeowner. Equipped with the robust felling grapple, it ensures a secure grip on even the most challenging trees. Whether you're navigating rugged terrain or maximizing productivity in tight spaces, this innovative machinery redefines what it means to be a workhorse in the forestry industry. Wow, so much beautiful wood came out of that log. I bet a lot of people watching would love to have some of it, myself included. And look at those beautiful wood grains dancing beside the saw blade. They are very popular.
We're going to talk to you here in a bit.
A skilled driver is the key to seamless operations. Watch as the LKT-81 Turbo takes on the tough terrain. Maneuvering through challenges with precision. Transporting wood is not scary if you have a good driver and a good trailer. The roar of engines, feeling of excitement rising, and the sheer power on display make this an unforgettable showdown. Who will dominate the racetrack and claim victory? Buckle up and enjoy the ride. Oh my gosh. Sawmill accidents are always lurking and can happen at any time if we are not careful. This is why we should wear protective gear to avoid unexpected incidents. Watching this machine in action is mesmerizing as it strips away layers of wood with precision, revealing the smooth grain beneath. Each rotation feels like unveiling nature's hidden beauty, turning raw logs into thin, pliable sheets of veneer. This machine is a small but mighty powerhouse, turning large logs into perfect, uniform kindling with ease. It's a game changer for anyone who needs to prepare firewood quickly and efficiently. Wouldn't you want one in your toolkit? This guy is a true master. He's got this massive tree completely at his mercy, wielding his chainsaw like it's part of him. Every cut is smooth, precise, and mesmerizing to watch. It's not just skill, it's pure artistry in action. My respects to this truck driver. With each maneuver, he demonstrates impressive skill in controlling the huge loaded truck through difficult terrain. What admirable skill! The 4-foot log debarker from Shandong Yukon Machinery is a precision-engineered powerhouse designed for the plywood industry. Stripping logs clean of bark with swift efficiency, it preps wood perfectly for further processing. It's not just about speed, it's about delivering quality-ready logs for premium plywood production. In a quiet factory, thin sheets of wood are transformed into beautiful, eco-friendly plates and straws. Each slice, each press, carries the story of nature, offering a sustainable alternative to plastic. Can you feel the change?
this cedar and got up there, and
The cedar stood like a giant dominating the yard, but today its time had come. With precision and expertise, the team tackled the enormous task, felling the giant with grace. Every cut echoed through the air. Did the yard feel smaller, or did the tree feel even bigger?
oh man. Nice, dude.
Nice.
Nice. There we go.
The bravest, strongest, and most determined dump trucks face any terrain without hesitation. Each daring maneuver in action, showing how these steel giants maneuvers mountains, mud, and dangerous curves. Would you dare to drive one in these conditions?